Hey, this is Simon from Nerd Safari, and we are here at the 2020 Carlisle Ford Nationals.
There's a little burnout for you, Carlisle.
So right now, let's go check out the vehicle exhibits in Hall T. Building T housed some classic Ford cars, incredibly well preserved and maintained. There were a ton of gorgeous Thunderbirds out on display. Of course, Mustangs of all generations, shapes, and sizes. After recently re-watching the movie Ford vs. Ferrari, I found myself particularly drawn to this amazing collection of Ford GTs. Building Y had yet more beautiful classics, including Starliners and Mustangs from the 60s and 70s. And not one but two 1976 Denimachines. As well as a Tiffany Rolls-Royce, we also got to see Bud Moore's famous 1969 Trans Am Mustang. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the subscribe button and we'll be back with more Mustang goodness.
Shut up and sit down.